Today's vehicles are high-tech, like state-of-the-art computers on wheels. They have sophisticated crash avoidance systems, safety cameras, and more technology than ever before. Each component part is made to fit your car's overall system, and only OEM original equipment manufactured parts will fit that system properly. CrashRepairInfo.com reports that OEM parts are the only parts that will work to original performance standards. Aftermarket parts, foreign parts, used parts have a much higher possibility of malfunctioning. That's a fact. At Orlando Auto Body, we strongly recommend that you only use OEM parts to repair your vehicle, because safety is our top priority, and bringing your vehicle back to pre-accident condition can only be done by using OEM parts installed by the finest technicians. For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.